Hello everyone, this is Flynn here, and today I'm going to share with you a quick tip on how to remove backgrounds from your images or your pictures. And what is interesting is you are going to use a free software to do this. I know you really love this tutorial and find it useful. We have our original picture here, and what we are going to be doing is we're going to use Paint 3D, which is a software that comes with Windows 10, to remove the background from this picture so that we can get this beautiful lady here on a yellow background, as we can see on the right. So let's just get right into it and see how to do this. So first of all, I'll open Paint 3D. You can, when you click on the home button on your Windows and type Paint 3D will come up in here, and then you just click to open Paint 3D. Now the first time you open it, you can open a new project, start a new project, and this is what you see when you open a new project. So what we need to do first of all is bring in the image that we want to remove the background from. So we come to menu, go to open over here, go to browse files, and then we go to where our image is, and this is just an image I downloaded off the internet on a website called pexels.com. You can check out the website. There are a couple of free images that you can download in there, or you can check the link below this video for a link to the site. So let's just select our image here, and as you can see, there's a bar over here that you can use to zoom in and zoom out, or you can even use your mouse to do your zooming in and zooming out. So this is the image that we have, and we want to select this lady from the picture or the image so that we can use that image on any project or a separate graphic design that we might want to do. So first of all, what we need to do is you come here to Magic Select, and what Magic Select does is it tries to select the subject in our photo or our picture. So once you click on Magic Select, Paint 3D will try to first of all select the area within which you want to pick the subject. But for Paint 3D to do a very good job, we will need to narrow down on the subject that we want to select from our image. So I'll just go up here and bring the bounding boxes a bit down so that it comes closer to our subject area, and this will just enable the software do a better job at locating your subject and then drawing a selection around the subject. So once we've done that, you come to next over here, click on next, and as you can see, Paint 3D tries to do a selection around the subject in the photo, but it's done quite well in selecting it. But as you can see, there are parts of the selection that didn't go too well, so we need to refine it a little. So let's just zoom in a little. As you can see, the car behind the lady is shown. We don't want to see the car in here, so all we need to do is go here and click on the remove, select the remove icon over here, and what it does is we will mark all the unwanted parts or unwanted areas in our image, and the software will take those areas from our selection. So with the arrow on the area, you just click and drag, and just remove the car from our selection. Good. So in the process of doing that, as you can see, is the selection has taken some parts of the lady's skirt off, and to bring this to bring this back into the selection, we come back to add, and then we draw a line around the area that we want to include in our selection. And as you can see, it does a very nice job in there for us. So let's just go around and look at the areas that we need to add to our selection, and just click and drag. Nice. Just look out for all the areas that wasn't included, and then just draw a line around it, and then it includes it nicely for you. I think on the feet side, I think it did a really good job, so we don't need to touch that side. Just scroll up, do it again, and then nice. This is how perfect, this is how I want it to be look like, for the selection to be like. So let's just drag up here. As you can see, this part is not included. Want to add, I'll just draw a line across, and then it includes it for you as well. Let's go up and see whether I did a good job up here. I think I just need to refine the edges a little. Find the edges. Good. I think this is good. We've been able to add all the areas we want to include in our selection. Once you are satisfied with your selection, once you've refined your cutout and then added and removed certain areas from your image, and you are good, then you are ready to cut out your subject from the photo or from the image. So let's just zoom back out, and then once you are ready, as you can see here, there's auto refill. What this does is, after the subject is cut out from the image, Paint 3D will try and refill or autofill the background for us. So let's just click done, and you can well understand what the software means with the autofill background. So click on done. Once that is done, as you can see, the image popped up a little to tell us that it's cut out the image or our subject from the image for us. So you can click, drag it to the left, and as you can see, this is what the autofill does. It tries to replace what is behind the lady in the photo. It's not that good, but then I think it's done quite well in trying to do that for us. But this is not what we need. We just needed the lady, so we can just select the background, the whole background, and hit the delete button, and then it goes away. And then bring back our lady back into workspace or worksheet, and there you have it. So say you want a transparent version of this selection, you can easily come to menu, come to save as, click on image, and from here you can select the type or the image type that you want to save. So in this case, you want a PNG and you want it to be transparent. So we have a transparent version of this photo. Once that is done, once you are okay with the dimensions of the image, just click on save. You just go to where you want to save your image, name it as you want. In this case, I'll name mine cut out lady, and then just save it in my downloads, and there you have it. So when you go to downloads, the image is here. As you can see, we have our lady in here, and when you open we have the lady removed from, or the background removed from our subject. If you like the video, I really appreciate you subscribing to this channel, so that will motivate me to put up or upload more tutorials on graphic design and other free softwares available that you can use to fast track your graphic design work. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get an update or to get notified of any new videos I'll be uploading very soon. Stay strong and stay safe.